Always flashes me.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Do I have some secret sauce for you guys today? Because in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn any of your handheld footage that's shaky into a smooth masterpiece. You're gonna be looking like Smooth Operator by the end of this video. And we're gonna do this all in Premiere Pro. And before we can even do that, I obviously have to go shoot some B-roll. So let's go get my car washed and I'll shoot some B-roll of it.
Can't forget the essentials, keys and the wallet. I mean, I can't go anywhere without these.
I wanted to see the cool colors. Where'd they go? Oh, there they are! Cool colors!
Now, the way I'm gonna shoot my car is pretty simple, especially when you are doing handheld. And the only way I figured out how to make it extremely smooth is to hold your camera from the bottom and then also hold it like right on the lens, like right here. So have two hands, boom, boom, and it works out pretty well. Another thing you can do is in your camera, there should be a video stabilizer that I use. It's in my Sony a7 IV, so make sure to turn that on. Then the rest is just with your hands. So let me shoot some B-roll and we'll go back to home and edit it.
This is a lot more difficult than I thought it'd be. Yeah, I'm definitely not a
car shooter, that is for damn sure.
So I'm looking over the footage that I got, and I honestly thought, because of my ego, I would have absolutely nailed this, but these are fucking ass. Like this car show is botched. No wonder I don't do that for a living. I'll show you guys how we can get rid of all this shaking. So I'll play this really quick and show you like the shake right now. So obviously you can see it's shaky, like right there. Right here, it's really shaky, and right here too. I'm gonna fix this color grade really quick by just coming into, I need my Lumetri colors, wherever that is, right here. I'm gonna come into basic. Obviously, gotta convert the S-Log to Rec 709. Now it's looking pretty good. Obviously, we gotta put on a LUT. I'm just gonna color grade that really quick. If you guys want these, I'll leave them in the link description. They're my LUTs. I'll add a vignette too. I'm pretty sure this everyday LUT will look good. Ooh, sexy, hold on. I'm just gonna use the color boost. I just kind of put it at 150. That looks pretty good to me. So the way we're gonna fix this, it's super easy and super simple. Come into the effects tab and search up warp, so W-A-R-P, and it is gonna come up with these warp stabilizers. So highlight every single clip you have, drag and drop the warp stabilizer, and it's going to, like it's saying, analyze the background, and let's see what it comes up with. It usually does an extremely good job. So this is what it came up with. That's a lot better than, oh my God, by far. And if that doesn't fix it, you can always come into here, go to the warp stabilizer and mess around with the settings. If you need it to be even more smooth, you can go to the smoothness right here and then increase it if you need to, or decrease it. And to spice this up, edit a little bit, I just wanna add a quick flash transitions just to make this pretty cool, and also add some music. So I'm just gonna add this quick flash transition that I have in my text and logo animations pack you guys can grab. I'm gonna make sure that this is lined up by just going right here, right where the transition is, and then make sure that this keyframe right here is on that transition. Looks like this. Boom, dude, that was sexy. One more time. Let's add that. Now we'll do it every single cut, just like so. And then we will realign them. Add some music really quick. Yeah, that's actually pretty dope, not gonna lie. And if you guys wanna learn exactly how to get this film look like you're seeing in this video right now, you can go click this video right over here. It'll teach you everything I know about getting this film look, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!